In the digital age, live streaming has become a powerful tool for businesses. It's not just about broadcasting content, it's about fostering real-time interaction, building community, and creating immersive experiences that feel personal and authentic. Live streaming is transforming the way businesses communicate, allowing them to reach and engage with their audience like never before. And the reach is truly staggering. With the right platform, your live streams can touch every corner of the globe, opening up unprecedented opportunities for growth and connection. But to harness this power, you need a reliable and user-friendly platform. That's where StreamYard comes in. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, StreamYard is making live streaming accessible to businesses of all sizes. Whether you're hosting a webinar, conducting an interview, or just chatting with your audience, StreamYard makes it easy to create professional live streams that resonate with your audience. Harnessing the power of live streaming with StreamYard can propel your business to new heights. Meet StreamYard, your go-to platform for professional live streaming. StreamYard, renowned for its simplicity and reliability, is a veritable powerhouse of features that make live streaming a breeze. Imagine being able to conduct a podcast, interview, or live show, all while growing your business. StreamYard's user-friendly interface makes it accessible even for beginners. You don't need to be a tech wizard to navigate its features. And speaking of features, StreamYard allows you to stream simultaneously to multiple platforms, such as Facebook and YouTube. This means you can reach a wider audience and engage with them on their preferred platform. The beauty of StreamYard lies in its seamless integration with these platforms. It's as simple as connecting your StreamYard account to your Facebook or YouTube account, and voila! You can manage your streams from a central location. But that's not all. StreamYard gives you the opportunity to brand your streams with custom logos, overlays, and backgrounds, enhancing your business's professional image. And let's not forget the monetization strategies. From sponsorships to affiliate marketing and product placements, StreamYard opens up a world of possibilities for making money through live streaming. With StreamYard, live streaming is just a few clicks away. Getting started with StreamYard is as simple as ABC. Just like magic, StreamYard can transform your business communications. The process is as straightforward as making a cup of coffee. First, you'll need to create an account. Visit StreamYard's website, click on Get Started, and fill in your details. Remember, a strong password is key to secure your account. Once your account is up and running, it's time to connect your streaming platforms. Let's start with YouTube. Navigate to the Destinations tab on your StreamYard dashboard, select Add a Destination, and then choose YouTube. You'll be prompted to log into your YouTube account and authorize StreamYard. It's a piece of cake, right? But let's not stop there. Why not cast your net wider? StreamYard also allows you to stream your content on Facebook. Just like with YouTube, go to Destinations, select Add a Destination, and then choose Facebook. Log into your Facebook account and authorize StreamYard. Now, you've got two major platforms connected, doubling your potential audience. One of StreamYard's standout features is its seamless integration. Once you've connected your platforms, you can manage all your streams from StreamYard's central dashboard. This means you don't have to switch between different tabs or apps, saving you time and keeping your focus on creating engaging content. Remember, StreamYard is all about making live streaming accessible and hassle-free. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete novice, you'll find setting up StreamYard a breeze. And voila! You're ready to start streaming with StreamYard. Give your stream a professional touch with StreamYard's customization options. This intuitive platform allows you to tailor your broadcasts to your brand's unique style. Whether you're a small business or a corporate giant, StreamYard has got you covered with an array of branding options. First up, you can create a custom logo with StreamYard. This logo will appear in the corner of your live stream, reminding viewers of your brand throughout the broadcast. It's a powerful tool to reinforce brand recognition. Next, let's talk about overlays. These are graphic elements that frame your video content, adding a professional polish to your stream. StreamYard allows you to create overlays that reflect your brand's aesthetics, be it minimalistic, vibrant, or anything in between. And let's not forget about backgrounds. You can choose from StreamYard's library of designs or upload your own. A well-chosen background can set the mood for your stream and make it more engaging. Consistent branding across platforms is key to building a strong professional image. With StreamYard, you can ensure your live streams on YouTube, Facebook, and beyond are instantly recognizable as your brand's own. Whether you're hosting a webinar, a Q&A session, or a product launch, your brand's distinct style will shine through. With StreamYard, you can make your stream truly your own. Live streaming is not just about audience engagement, it's also a revenue stream. With the right strategies, live streaming can become a significant part of your business's income. StreamYard offers the tools you need to turn your streams into a profitable venture. The first monetization strategy to consider is sponsorships. By partnering with brands that align with your business, you can promote their products or services during your live streams. This not only provides value to your sponsors, but also introduces your audience to products that they might find useful, creating a win-win situation. Another effective way to monetize your live streams is through affiliate marketing. By promoting products you believe in and providing affiliate links, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your link. With StreamYard's easy-to-use platform, you can seamlessly integrate these links into your streams, making them easily accessible to your viewers. Product placements during streams are also a viable strategy. By showcasing products in your streams, you can generate interest and drive sales. Whether it's a product from your own business or from a partner, product placements can subtly promote these items without disrupting the flow of your content. Additionally, StreamYard's features can facilitate direct monetization strategies. For instance, you can offer exclusive access to certain parts of your live streams as a paid feature. This creates a sense of exclusivity and offers additional value to your paying audience. Lastly, don't forget the power of donations. Many viewers are willing to support creators they enjoy, and StreamYard makes it easy to set up a donation system. This can provide a steady income stream while also strengthening the bond between you and your audience. Remember, the key to successful monetization is providing value. Whether it's through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, product placements, exclusive content, or donations, make sure your viewers feel they're getting something worthwhile in return. Turn your live streams into a profitable venture with StreamYard. Keep your audience hooked with StreamYard's engagement tools. Imagine having the power to display real-time comments on screen, allowing your viewers to feel heard and involved. Not only does this encourage further interaction, but it also fosters a sense of community. Isn't that what we all want? Now let's talk reactions. StreamYard takes it a step further by offering the ability to showcase viewer reactions during live streams. It's an excellent way to keep the energy high and the conversation flowing. But wait, there's more. StreamYard also provides the opportunity to conduct live polls. This feature is a fantastic way to gather feedback, understand your audience's preferences, and keep them engaged. Plus, it adds a fun, interactive element to your live streams. Remember, an engaged audience is a loyal audience. When people feel part of the conversation, they are more likely to stick around, come back for more, and even become advocates for your brand. And all these benefits just from leveraging the engagement tools within StreamYard. Boost audience interaction and foster a sense of community with StreamYard. StreamYard is more than just a live streaming platform, it's a tool for business growth. This is the golden nugget we've been unearthing throughout this video. We've walked you through the power of live streaming, the simplicity of setting up StreamYard, and the myriad ways to customize, monetize, and engage with your audience using this platform. We've delved into the user-friendly interface of StreamYard, showcasing how it effortlessly connects with multiple platforms like YouTube and Facebook. This seamless integration allows you to reach a broader audience, engage users from different platforms, and manage your streams from a central hub. We've also shown you how StreamYard can help you solidify your business's professional image with its custom branding options. From logos to overlays and backgrounds, consistent branding across platforms has never been easier. Moreover, we've explored the exciting ways you can monetize your live streams. With StreamYard, you can leverage sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and product placements during your streams, opening up new revenue streams for your business. We've also highlighted StreamYard's audience engagement tools. The platform enables you to interact with your viewers through on-screen comments, reactions, and polls, fostering a more loyal and active community. And let's not forget about the ease of bringing guests into your streams or the advantages of repurposing recorded content across different platforms. StreamYard even provides valuable insights and analytics to help you track performance and improve future streams, all while maintaining your privacy and security. So there you have it. StreamYard is not just a live streaming tool, it's a comprehensive solution for business growth. But don't just take our word for it, experience it for yourself. And while you're at it, if you found value in this video, Show some love by hitting the like button and dropping a comment below. Subscribe to Simplified eBiz for more insightful content about e-business solutions like StreamYard. Jumpstart your live streaming journey with StreamYard and watch your business thrive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Simplified eBiz. Until next time.